Welcome to Invictus YouTube channel. In today's episode, I will try to answer a pressing question, which has been pestering your mind since the start of this pandemic. Has the mass use of hand sanitizer during the COVID-19 pandemic increased the risk of superbugs? Let's find out. Mutation is a natural process in organisms, where they become more and more resistant to the chemicals which are used to kill them or inhibit the growth. The organisms thus mutate to be stronger and immune to these chemicals. So, concurrent mass use of sanitizers create these superbugs. To answer this, we have to look into an experiment done by a group of microbiologists. In this experiment, they sectioned a cell culture plate into 4 quarters. For the first quarter, they pressed a normal fingerprint. For the second quarter, they gave their hands a normal 20-second wash with soap and water. For the third quarter, they did a full 2-minute surgical scrub to the elbows. For the final quarter, they dunked the fingers in 70% ethyl alcohol for 60 seconds. The results showed that all 4 quarters cultured growth. Although there was a clear reduction in amount of growth for each progressive sanitation step, but there was growth, even after all that washing, plus a soak in alcohol. Thus, it was proven that sterility is functionally impossible in most practical circumstances that don't include incinerator or burning. The goal here is sanitization. As for creating a superbug, the short answer is no, because we don't use alcohol as a method to treat infections. The longer answer is yes. Survival of the fittest says that some bacteria are more tolerant of harsh conditions, like a flood of alcohol, than others. The cells that survive the purge will pass on their tolerance. Some will mutate to become more tolerant, and over successive cleansings tolerance is all but inevitable. This is a long way of saying that, well, no, it won't create a drug-resistant superbug, but it will become harder for hospital staff to maintain a sanitary environment, which will cause hospital-acquired infections to increase. That's all for today's episode. For more content like this, please subscribe Invictus YouTube channel and bang the bell icon to get regular updates. This is Invictus. See you in the next.